At ease, our viewers across the world, make una stand at ease and enjoy hot Ogbono Feli news for Pidgin News Network, where we dey sama latest news for Naija and Obodo Oyibo, yarns as e dey pan for we street, parable as dem we forefathers dey talk am, tori as e dey blow from the pidgin world go different corner of the world, pata. My name na Roro Pata 20 kilometer. The news Sabinus, una welcome to Pidgin News Network World News. Tawai, pressure. For the first time inside 68 years, Queen Elizabeth II no go use the traditional royal gun salute to celebrate her birthday. She don cancel the birthday, say na on top of social media, internet dem go do am and na family affair. The queen go be 94 years for April 21. Mama no go gree. We no go gree, oh, we no go sam, we no go gree, we no go sam. People dey waka for different streets and different states for America, say dem no go stay for house for the lockdown. Dem don tire, dem wan go jolly, dem wan go work, dem no fit stay for house. Even sef for Iran, dem say make dem dey open business, but Mexico Sabinus talk say sha o, e never reach time to open business, but dem don dey open am small. One woman for New York for America wey dem call Brittany Jensick don take mistake give 17 out of im 18 children coronavirus. She no get the symptoms, so she no know say she get am, and some of these children na children wey she take from people to take help train as im own children. God go save us. Person dey hala say no get shoe until e see person wey no get leg. E say, God, I thank you. Ventilator wahala for Africa na big gbege, oyibo na small matter. South Sudan, country wey get about 11 million people plus 5 vice presidents, only get 4 ventilators. Central African Republic get 3 ventilators for the 5 million people wey dem get. For Liberia nko na 6 ventilators dem get wey dey work. Chai! Total na 2,000 ventilators dey work to serve 100 upon 100 of million people wey dey for public hospital for 41 countries for we Africa. Hey, wahala dey o. World Health Organization WHO sef shout yepa say na more than 170,000 ventilators dey America, and dem dey cry, dey beg, dey find where dem go buy more. Say the thing no too dey enough for dem. Waka many for we head o. We must to follow the rules of Koro. Make Koro no come go vex like ocean come dey enter different place. Koro abeg leave us for Africa o, leave the whole world. We no get ventilators. 10 countries inside Africa no get sam, no single ventilator there. WHO also talk say as this Koro matter dey go, wey be say now na just thousand upon thousand dey Africa, say the thing fit catapult go 10 million inside 3 or 6 months for people wey go get am. That catapult rubber go cut, e no go fit fire. 10 million too much, we no get that power. Abeg, Koro waka leave us, abeg make una stay at home. For Nigeria, medical Sabinus don say make federal government quarantine all the people wey attend Mr. Abba Kyari burial. The former chief of staff to the president, dem say dem pass 20 wey go there, so dem must quarantine dem for over 14 days and make dem also see the law. Oga Presido Major General Muhammadu Buhari say im late chief of staff Abba Kyari dey stand gidigba against corruption for all in life. Na im make am in like am. That is to say, na no nonsense man for corruption. He said the man, he know am when he dey in his 20s, when he don pass 20 years small, and say the man don dey loyal to am for over 42 years. Abba Kyari, we say rest in peace. Na for 67 years old im take carry waka. There is fire on the mountain. There is fire on the mountain. Run. This fire matter, fire still dey worry for Naija o. Fire don catch more than 50 shanties house wey dem take local wood dem build for different corner wey plenty join themselves. Na im dey call shanty o. And dem say fire don catch 50 for Ajegunle AJ City for Olaiya mechanic bus stop off Orege. On Sunday, Rivers State government released 22 workers of ExxonMobil staff wey no gree hear word wey carry waka inside the lockdown. They don release them, make them dey go. For inside this lockdown call, thieves still dey thief, smuggle still dey smuggle. Ogun area 1 commander don jam block car 14,951 bag of rice and 225 used motor wey we dey call Tokunbo. Na the controller for that area, Michael Agbara of Area 1 Command, talk am. My people, make we join hand together fight this koro, make we win. We go dey sambalidate una with latest news as the waka dey come. This na Pidgin News Network, where news dey start from. Hail una, Bakam.